Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word feud. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The long-standing feud between the two families finally came to an end with a peaceful resolution. A feud refers to a long-standing and bitter conflict between families, groups, or individuals, typically characterized by ongoing hostility and antagonism. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.